Alright, working on our head here. We shaved it down, shaved it smooth in here, took some off in here so we got a little bit more roundness to it. So we're going to make some reference lines on here. Give me an idea where I want to start. We'll make one down in here. We'll go up about an inch or so. This just gives me an idea when I start carving what I want to do. And then we're going to start in here. I'm going to take this nose down. And you always want to start in your center and work your way out to the outside. Also, when you're putting this in the vise, make sure you keep your back of your head on here so you don't over tighten it and split your wood out. So keep this in until you're ready to start working on the inside. So we got some reference lines here to start with. We're going to start with the nose, take this part out in here. We won't do the eyelids until after we get the nose and the cheeks where we want them. Then I know if I have to go up or down with my line for my eyelids. So you don't want to cut this in through here until after you get all this part shaved up in here. So we're going to start with the nose area, take this out, and work our way around. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments or any suggestions, put it in my comment section and I'll get back with you. We're going to start with this small burr, then we'll go to a larger burr, but we'll start by lining it out with this one. This started on here. We're going to have to go in a lot deeper in this area here once we get to that point so we have a bridge to our nose. So we're going to keep working on this part here. We're going to take this part out. getting shape to our nose here. So we need to take more out in here. So we're gonna keep working on that. Take a little break for a minute, and then we'll continue. Thanks for watching.